Welcome to Amana Group, 100% export-oriented knit composite industry. Let us introduce the Amana Group Board of Members. Kandakar Shaheen Ibrahim, Managing Director. Kandakar Shaiful Islam, Chairman. Kandakar Sirajul Islam, Vice Chairman. Saad Ibrahim Kandakar, Director. Fahad Ibrahim Kandakar, Director. Afiyat Islam Kandakar, Director. Certification. Amana Group started the journey in 1996 with few machinery and human resources and began exporting in 1997. Located in Narayanganj, 35 km away from Dhaka International Airport. From the beginning, Amana has been maintaining consistency and producing 100% exportable quality knit garments. Moreover, productivity is rising at a growth rate to maintain all the standards of a compliance factory. The vision of Amana is to be the best garments manufacturing industry in this region, and the mission is to produce garments by assuring all the prerequisite of buyers. Amana Group was awarded the Ecotex 100 Standard, Business Social Compliance Initiative, BSCI, and ISO 9001-2015 certificate, so it has emerged as a compliant and customer-focused organization. Today, after over a decade of progression, Amana is a pointer of the textile industry of Bangladesh and the prime choice of many foreign retailers. The sky is the limit for Amana. Let's take a short tour of our factory. Fabric Store Department. This is our finished fabric store department, where all our finished fabrics are kept here. Fabric Relaxation Department. Our Fabric Relaxation Department is committed to delivering high-quality fabric relaxation services to ensure the production of premium textiles that meet or exceed customer expectations. Our mission is to employ state-of-the-art equipment and techniques to optimize fabric quality, consistency, and performance. Accessories Store Department. Our Accessories Store Department is dedicated to providing a diverse and stylish range of accessories to complement and enhance various apparel ensembles. Our mission is to offer high-quality accessories that reflect the latest fashion trends, inspire creativity, and elevate the overall look and feel of our customers' outfits. Sample Department. Sample Department is committed to creating high-quality prototypes and samples that showcase our design capabilities and manufacturing expertise. Our mission is to provide our clients with visually stunning and meticulously crafted samples that serve as a testament to our commitment to excellence and innovation in apparel manufacturing. CAD Department. Our CAD department is dedicated to leveraging cutting-edge technology and design expertise to develop innovative and visually compelling apparel designs. Cutting Department. Our cutting department is committed to precision, efficiency, and quality in fabric cutting operations. Our mission is to ensure accurate cutting of fabrics according to design specifications, maximizing material utilization while minimizing waste and maintaining high standards of craftsmanship. Input area. The mission of our input area is to serve as the gateway for all incoming materials and components necessary for the production of high-quality garments. Sewing Department. The mission of the sewing department at Amana Group is to meticulously transform fabric and other materials into high-quality garments that meet or exceed customer expectations. Our team of skilled artisans is committed to precision, efficiency, and craftsmanship in every stitch, ensuring the production of garments that reflect our dedication to excellence. Finishing Department. The finishing department at Amana Group is dedicated to adding the final touches to garments, ensuring they meet the highest standards of quality, appearance, and presentation. Our mission is to meticulously inspect, press, and package garments, delivering finished products that delight our customers and reflect our commitment to excellence.